and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the newest addition to my handbag collection. So I'm very excited to share this piece with you guys. This is a vintage piece. I just came with a box from Fashion File and I have already looked at it, but wanted to still do like the unboxing with you guys because I know that's always exciting in these videos. At first, I honestly wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. I wanted to look at it before filming a video and then returning it. It just, I don't know, kind of, I wouldn't want to do that. And so I'd rather just re-unbox it with y'all and do this type of video than like make a video and return it, if that makes sense. So either way, let's go ahead and open it up. And it is the Louis Vuitton Monceau black bag. And I am absolutely obsessed with it. So as y'all know, I've been minimizing my collection. It also came with the original dust bag, which I think is really interesting to see. So I think I've already unboxed my newest SLG, which is the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini, but here is the comparison of like an aged dust bag. So I think that's kind of interesting. We'll throw all those into there together. But yeah, we have the Monceau, and you guys, I am absolutely in love with this bag. So I was looking for a medium-sized bag. So I've minimized and downsized my handbag collection, as y'all seen. And I need to do an updated inventory as well as wish list with you guys, because I know I shared my overarching, but really that was just so many items that I liked. And I don't know, lately when I've been looking at it, I was like, I don't want that many bags. I think I just shared in my wish list during Vlogmas everything that I liked. And so after minimizing the collection, I realized that I really just want to focus on key pieces that have a purpose and that can be used for multiple things. So that's where this gem comes in. And you guys, this is such a beautiful bag. I love this vintage piece. I love vintage pieces because of how well they just look, and like the leather and the craftsmanship and just everything about it. This is essentially like the original Pochette Métis. And so I honestly never jumped on the Pochette Métis trend either. And I think it's just because it was too casual of a bag. And I also just didn't want the monogram style. So this does come in either monogram or epi leather. The monogram does look really cute, but I don't want monogram print, as y'all know, unless it's like an SLG. I typically just have been gravitating away from those. And I really just loved this. Ever since my Keep All 45, which is in the epi leather, came in, I've just been in love with the epi leather. And so I was trying to find a medium-sized bag, and the best part about these vintage pieces is you can get them for a great price. This bag ranges between, I think, $400 and $1,000, and so I believe this was $750, which is incredible for this type of bag, I feel like, especially because the only real wear is on the hardware, which is it's expected, but I'm fine with it because it's kind of hard to see. And I just think the leather is what's most important to me. And this bag has held up so well. Here's the top. This bag also comes with, or should come with, a strap and a lock for the bag. I didn't get either of those, and I knew that going into purchasing the bag. A lot of these bags don't come with the strap, and so I might buy a strap. The issue is that the straps at Louis Vuitton now, if I want like the soft leather, because it's supposed to be the soft leather strap, the strap is pretty much the same amount that I paid for this bag. So I might find one on Amazon. I do want a strap, but you can also pair this, I think, with a chain, like a gold chain as well, to dress it up. When you use it for like every day, I wouldn't recommend a chain, but I do think that's an option as well. And Amazon has some good options, so I'll share that with you guys. And if I order one by the time I schedule this out, I'll put the link to the one that I purchased below. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this bag. I just think it's such a timeless classic piece, and that's what I really love about it. I love the top handle. It just gives it more of a that timeless element, I feel like, and that like it classes it, like it makes it classier. It makes it a like a dressier bag, and that's what I really love, is that I feel like you can really use this and wear it up or down. If you've ever watched the Carrie Diaries, I feel like it kind of resembles like her bag that she puts her name on as well. That's like the first thing that came to mind when I saw it, and I love it. So I'm so happy for this bag. So a little bit about it. So for dimensions, it is 11 inches in height. I'm sorry, 11 inches in length, 9 inches in height, and 2 inches in width. And the leather, you guys, is just so incredible. So you have a smooth, soft, I don't want to say soft because as y'all can see, it's incredible leather, but you have a softer material on the bottom and the sides. But for this bag being from 96, it's just incredible. Like, you wouldn't believe looking at this that this bag is that old. And there is like a little impression here, which I'm fine with. And then there's like one single scratch right here on the back. But other than that, this bag is just in such great condition. You can see some wear, but I'm honestly just obsessed with it, especially for the price point. So I'm really excited to add this to my collection. To open it up, you have two little notches here. This is where the lock goes, or I'm sorry, the key, which again, it didn't come with, which is fine because I would probably lock myself out of this bag. Knowing myself, I would put the key in here, or I'd try and like put it in my key holder. Well, I guess you couldn't do that, but I don't know. I think I find a way to lock myself out of this bag. Either way, it also comes with a large back pocket. I did watch a few videos on this before buying it, and some of the vintage pieces, the pocket is sticky from just, you know, being a vintage piece. And so mine has that in here, so you can't really use the back pocket, which I'm honestly fine with because I can fit everything that I need here, but it is something to consider if you're interested in this bag. The zipper is a little harder to open too, but let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So as y'all can see, like the leather is just coming undone, and so it's just making it a little bit, it makes it sticky, and I don't want to put anything in there, but I honestly don't need to put anything in there because I typically don't use the back pockets anyways. When I first opened it up, and that's again one of the reasons why I wanted to examine it before doing the unboxing, I saw that and I was like, well, honestly, I don't use those back pockets, especially when I get an organizer. I'm probably not going to get an organizer for this bag. You have a smooth Saffiano leather in here, and it honestly is in like great condition, and I don't think for how I'm going to use it I'll need it. If I can find something that will fit, we'll experiment with it and put one in here. I'll do a what's in my bag if I like decide to go that route, but like initial thoughts is I'm not going to put one in here. I also can find one, but like I don't think I'll need it. So and there's the interior. You also have this secondary pocket here, which could actually fit quite a few things. You have all this room. I love how it expands when you open it, because this is going to be such a great piece to travel with, and I love that it matches my keep all, because look how compact it can get, and then it expands and it can hold so much stuff, which we will get into now because I think that's all of the details. I'm really excited, so I know I'm probably all over the place, but I am just obsessed with this. For going forward, when it comes to my collection, if I'm going to add a medium-sized bag to my collection, it has to be able to hold my iPad mini, because this is 11 inches in length. It obviously will, but that's just something that I want to share with you guys as well. But here's my iPad mini in its case, and it fits so well. You have so much more room over here, and you can also stand it up and it'll still close lengthwise because you have a gap up here. So you can fit like longer items in here. You can also fit a GM agenda. So right now I have my agenda cover, which is the GM size, and it fits in here, which is incredible that you can fit any planner that you want. This is an A5 planner, and I just love that feature so much because I could also use this for work if I'm just running in to grab something and I just need to like go in and out, but I need to carry documents or something. It's the perfect bag for that. And so this is definitely going to be a little bit more of a dressier bag. I was initially thinking about just doing an everyday bag, like a casual bag, because I was going back and forth on so many options. And honestly, I think I typically don't like my casual bags. Like I literally sold almost all of my casual bags, and it's because I just don't, I don't know, I just feel like I don't want a casual bag. That's why I never got the Pochette Métis. And I think this is a great piece that you can use it for everyday use. It just dresses up the outfit a bit. Or you can even use it for going out. And I don't think I will, but I have that option, especially like I always give happy hour as an option because I love happy hour, but I also think that's an indicator of like how you can use it, right? Like I also think like I could definitely take this shopping and it's light enough. Like it's actually pretty light. I wish I could like weigh it. It's actually pretty light for like this quality with all this hardware. Like I feel like this hardware looks like it's so much bulkier than it is, but this is like a surprisingly light bag, and so I wouldn't mind taking this shopping. And if I need to bring like more pieces or anything, like I could definitely fit that in here, which I love. So anyways, iPad mini. Also, the iPad mini can fit right here, which if I do bring my iPad mini, I think I will keep it in here. The only thing about this bag that I wish it did have is like a back pocket that I could keep my phone in, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker. I think it's great. I love that I have pretty much an iPad mini holder here, and I think I might call that especially in the winter when I use this bag, or fall. Like I'm generally wearing a jacket or a vest, so I keep my phone on me, sometimes even in my pocket. So this will go back and forth between storing my iPad mini and my phone, but I love that it just fits that in here. And then it opens up so much more room. So I have my PM agenda, which is my on-the-go planner, which I take everywhere. I have my sunglasses in my Chanel case, and then I have a card holder. These are everyday essentials, and then my phone. These are everyday essentials that I have to, or not have to, but I want to bring with me. I also typically carry my GM cosmetic case with. This I don't think will fit, to be honest, and I wouldn't want to bring that in here just because it would take a lot of room. But here's how this looks. Or if I did like this, it takes up pretty much the entire base. Then I could technically, I guess, fit it in here, right? If I wanted to, but I just don't see myself doing that. And then it makes it so much bulkier. Actually, I don't think it'll close that way. Maybe without like the sunglasses. Yeah, it would close, but it can fit it. I just wouldn't do it. I have, actually, let me show y'all what it looks like with a smaller cosmetic case. My Gucci medium size is downstairs, but I have this Dior one, which is approximately the same size as a medium Louis Vuitton cosmetic case or Gucci one. But I think I would more than likely just switch into that and then put all these in here because you can fit the essentials and then it's not overfilled. And it's perfect. So yeah, definitely recommend a medium cosmetic case, but you guys, I just love it. Like it holds all of this, which I don't know, to me, it's just incredible. The drop here is 1.25 inches. I don't think I mentioned that. And I'm obsessed with it. I'm excited to add this to my collection because I really think it's just a great medium-sized bag that can store what I need. I can bring stuff with me, and it's just so, I feel like it's a timeless, trendy piece. I think that's what I'm trying to get at. It's so trendy. It's so like, I just love the style so much. I really feel like this is my style when it comes to handbags, and that's why I really love it, because I just think it's so adorable. And I love the briefcase style. You can use it for work, you can use it for going out. I'm obsessed. So yeah, that is the Louis Vuitton Monceau. That might be pronounced wrong, in epi leather, and I absolutely love it. I'd love to know what y'all think. I'll have this bag, what y'all think of it. If y'all know how to clean the hardware on this bag, that'd be great, or any recommendations on cleaning the hardware. This does also come in a monogram print. I don't know if I mentioned that. and that's typically cheaper, but I love the epi leather. Y'all know I want something a little bit less, like a little more low-key, even though you do have like a lot of LV, but from afar you don't see that. And I'm just happy to have a medium-sized black bag back in my collection, and this one is just absolutely perfect and stunning. So yeah, other than that, that is my newest bag for my collection, and that is going to be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.